All right, you guys, let's dive right into this. And first, let's answer the question, okay? How much can you make? And this really is it's not a black and white answer. I know that you guys want that. How much can I make? And unfortunately, I can't tell you that. But what I can tell you is yes, if you wanna make 6 figures, yes, you can do that. If you wanna make 7 figures, yes, it's possible, all right? Now, obviously, everyone is different, but I really want to expose the truth about the differences between becoming from a beginner, intermediate, and expert. And I wanna talk to you guys basically about the skills, what you can expect going into this, and even more so, how much time when you look at this, how much time are people actually putting into their business, all right? And obviously, I have my own journey from my own experiences, but I really believe that from my journey and my experience as an affiliate marketer, now a 7-figure affiliate marketer and online business owner, that my experience is really a mirror of the masses of people who actually do create success. So I really want you to pay attention to this. If you're ready for this, smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, and get ready to rock and roll. All right, so enough of that. Let's dive into this. Here's the dream, all right? And I already know the dream. I know what you guys want, what the dream is, because guess what? We all do. We want to work less and make more. Am I wrong? If you want to work more and make less, drop a comment and say, I'm an idiot down in the comment box, right? Nobody wants to do that. We all want to work less and we want to make more money, because more money provides us with more options in life. We can do what we love and we can have a bigger impact, right? If we have more time to do what we love, then we can contribute more of ourselves to a cause that we love and that helps other people, right? Okay, yes, right. I think we're all in agreement here. So let's start with the expert affiliate marketer, all right? People would say, I'm an expert affiliate marketer. You have your favorites out online, you see them making all this money, and you say, well, how much time are they putting in? Now here's the thing, when you look at an expert, they're gonna brag and they're gonna market how little they work, okay? And I'll just tell you right now, a lot of times you can see people working 4 to 10 hours. And this is, obviously you guys, this is not set in stone. Some people, the go-getters, this all depends on how passionate you are, right? But you do see this. An expert, right now, if I wanted to, I could work only 4 hours a week, right? And that's just true. And this is what most people want to get to. They want to get to the expert level and only work 4 to 10 hours a week and still be making 6 figures plus per year. All right, absolutely doable. But as we go down this, we go to intermediate and then beginner, I'm gonna teach you guys why it's so important to stay the course. Why it's so important to stay the course. And I'll share a little bit with you guys here on that in just a minute. Intermediate, right? An intermediate, I would say, works between 10 and we'll say 20 hours a week, okay? And this is a week, not a day, all right? Hours, okay? And then a beginner, and I'll explain moving through these phases, all right? A beginner works minimum of 20, probably to 30 hours a week. And the reason is because obviously they've got a job, right? This is exactly what I did. I started like anyone else. I was a beginner making no money, and I was working my butt off to make no money, all right? Now this is why you need to stay the course. Now here's the goal. Everyone wants to work less, make more money. But I'm telling you, with experience in affiliate marketing, with your experience, as you do it more, you get better. Here's the problem. Most people who are in the beginner phase, all right, they're not putting in enough hours to learn and implement. Learn and implement. Those are the 2 things. If I could just shake my earlier self and say, you idiot you, what are you doing? You're learning, but you're not implementing anything. And so I was stuck in beginner phase for so long. I was making no money, and it was very frustrating. As a matter of fact, I was paying tons of money and not making any money. And if that's you, please continue watching this and pay the heck attention, because it's all about action, all right? So beginners, they work their butt off and they don't make any money. That's just how it goes. Why? It's like anything in life that takes time. It takes learning a skill set, and it takes action, all right? And I'll speak from experience. Most people in beginner mode are in research mode, all right? This is what I was, ooh, affiliate marketing, ooh. Oh, how much money can I make? Ooh, what's the best strategy? Oh, how do I get traffic? What's the secret to getting traffic, right? And there's no freaking secret, you guys. There's paid marketing, which most beginners and even intermediate, they don't have a budget for paying for traffic. So you have to do it free, which is slower, which means you gotta work your tail off, but you gotta be implementing. But no, most beginners are stuck. They're stuck in research mode, all right? I know for a fact this is 90+% of all affiliate marketers, of all of everybody trying to start an online business. Why? I've been there and I've worked with so many people now that I see it. I just see it. It's true. You've got to get out of research mode. You know enough. It's time to share. You've got to share your experiences. You've got to share content. You've got to become a content creator. Just the way it goes. That's, if you want to get to this faster, you've got to become a creator. I'm not sugarcoating this. It's bullshit what other people tell you, where there's secret hacks and this and that. No, there's not. There's not secrets. You either create content or quit. Stick with your job. Building an online business is not for you. If you can't create content, you cannot build an online business, period. You have to do it. Unless, you know, you were more fortunate than myself and most people starting this journey out, and you have money already. And you can pay to grow your business. You can pay to play. Because if you figure that out and you learn how to put $1 into ad spend and get $2 out, you can scale any business. But most people are not in a position to do that, all right? So, the faster you start taking action, okay, this is the key, the faster you will move up the ladder here. And that's just truth, okay? And the more moolah you make, right? The more money you make. So, starting out, you guys, get out of research mode. Start taking action. Start creating content. If you do have a budget, start learning with ads. Well, I lost money. I lost money on ads. Welcome to the club, all right? You have to learn skills, and it's gonna cost you time and money. Time and money. And if you're not willing to sacrifice those two things, stop trying to be an affiliate marketer. Stop trying to grow an online business. It's not for you. Entrepreneur, it by definition takes risks. You have to. And so many people say, how do I play it safe? I just want the safe route. Oh, but I want to make a lot of money and I want to change my life financially, but I don't want to take any risks. How do I do it safely? Then keep working a job. And even that is not safe. I don't know what the heck is wrong with people. You have a life of freedom waiting for you, but you've got to take risks and you got to chase it. You got to run after it as if a lion is running after you. All right? Go full force. All right? Enough of the motivation. Take action, you guys. Intermediate, you're going to work less, maybe. And obviously, you know, my approach to this, you guys, when I was first starting, was I'm just going to outdo my competition. That's how I built my YouTube channel to over 300,000 subscribers. That's how I made over $1 million. That's why I'm well known as a super affiliate, is because I said, I don't want to just dabble, right? I would go work my full-time job, and when I really was getting out of this and into intermediate, I was still at a beginner working my butt off as if I was, or intermediate, even when I became an expert and I was making over 6 figures part-time from home as an affiliate marketer. I was working my butt off because I said, I'll just outwork everyone, because I knew I had developed some skills, but I wasn't the best. So I forget where I heard this, but it was an online trainer who said, I may not be the best, but I can outwork the rest. And I don't know how you guys feel with your skill sets, but I'm telling you, if you focus on taking action, you're going to progress, okay? Now, here's the deal, you guys. In this journey of beginner, intermediate, and expert, most people look at this and they look at people who have put in the work first and now get to live this life, and this is what beginners do. Oh, well, I want to live the 4-hour work week, so I'm a beginner and I'm just gonna put in 4 hours. And then the results, because they don't have any traction, they've got no momentum, they get a big fat 0. And they go, this doesn't work. How are all these people making money? How are they building successful businesses? This crap doesn't work. scam, And I'm telling you, if you want to get to this level, if you want to make 6 figures, put in the work. Put in the work. Stop making excuses. And I'm pretending like I'm talking to myself from a few years ago. Okay? How about that? Stop making excuses, start taking action, get out of research mode. You have no idea what's ahead of you if you just get better and keep creating content. The freedom life that you're thinking about, that you see other people living, you get to live it. But guess what? You've got to put in the work to get there first. You've got to put the work, you got to put in the work. It's waiting for you, but you've got to do the work. So start doing the work now and do more of it. It will get you there faster. All right, so I'm pretending I'm talking to myself when I was first starting, you guys. I was all over the place, not taking action. So do the work and start getting better at it. Well, how do I get better? I hear it all the time, Nathan, how do I get better at creating content? What should I create content on? Look at people in your industry who are doing it, who have created success. You are no different than them. You are a person who has the ability to do the same thing. So learn from them. Learn what the kind of content that the same industry that you're in, and create the content, but try and do it better and take massive action. And get better at skills like SEO, marketing, email marketing. Well, this all sounds like way too much. Then quit. If you quit, it's not gonna bother me. It doesn't affect my life. But I don't want you to. I don't want you to quit when I know what can happen for you. And I know struggles of, I wanna quit. Can I really do this? And it's self-doubt and getting in your head too much. You guys, take action. Becoming an expert is experience. And that's all it is. It's experience. And you get better, and you'll continue to see changes in yourself. And of course, I'm just gonna do this real quick. Real quick. For all of this to work, you've got to work on this, all right? Your mindset. Because the actions, whether it be creating YouTube videos, learning how to do a blog, learning SEO, even if you're just doing Facebook or Instagram, social media marketing to grow your, whatever it is, these are all skills to learn, and you've got to do them. But a lot of times you'll find yourself not doing them because you're screwed up here. You say, well, I don't know, maybe this isn't gonna work out for me. Maybe, what if I just do this and it doesn't work out and I fail? Then what are people gonna think of me too? And you get so caught up in your head that you might as well just stop now, all right? But again, I believe in you. Go take action, take massive action, make it happen, right? End the year strong, start the year strong, and outwork everyone else. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now.